Okay, this is what we're starting with. Olives, diced, and sauce. This is simple. And then we got onion, knife, frozen gnocchi. We froze up. We made those earlier. And anchovies. Almost out of that shit. This here, cheese. Yeah, onion. Oh, garlic. Whoa, garlic. Getting hot. Hang on. Get in there, cool off here. Hang on here. Cool off. Onions. Bam. Bam. Got it. Now we're good. Spoonish. We need spoonish here. Spoon. Stir. There. Stir. Quick sauce. Salt. Can you open that pepper for me? Salt. I need that pepper open there. Pepper. Open that pepper for me? I need that. And I need red pepper open. Oh, we got red pepper over here? We got red pepper. Okay. Hurry up. Oh, red pepper. Yeah.
Put that in on your plate. It's not constant.
Red pepper. Okay, good. I hear you. Red pepper, black pepper. Ooh, black pepper. Okay. Stir. Looking good. Alright, stop.